Hey everyone, it's Chris Saxton, your Energy Swing window client consultant. And today I wanted to bring you down to our design center and talk about a part of a door that no one really discusses. Biggest thing that you want to look at when you look at a door is the frame or the jamb system, what it's constructed of, and what's going to hold that door into place. Most people don't realize, they focus on the door slab and the beauty of the door and everything. This is the functional part. So it's a part of the jamb that you're purchasing that is actually going to get that door to close against, and that's what's going to stay forever inside of your house. If you buy a bad jamb system or something that's real flimsy, it's going to move around a lot. You're not going to get a great seal on your door. The other part is, how fast do they deteriorate? So the first thing I'll talk about with you is I'll challenge you to go outside of your own door. Majority of the doors in this marketplace, especially in Pittsburgh, Greensburg, Murraysville, Export, Delmont, all the jambs on the outside are a finger jointed pine wood, and they're just painted. So what ends up happening, especially in a scenario like this with a side light or a door slab, snow blows in there, and over time, that system actually melts water, and that water actually affects the jamb system. So you'll get what's called wicking, where the water will be absorbed by that wood, and it'll slowly start to rot the jamb system and draw water up that wood jamb system over time. A lot of people around here had to hire someone to actually come in, cut out a part of that bottom jamb system, fix it, try to repair it, patch over it, try to make it look like something. Well, today I want to show you something a little bit different that we do at Energy Swing on our ProVia doors. First off, when you start with the wood jamb system that's starting to make up the component of the frame itself, one thing that is very, 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 very popular on the ProVia doors, the bottom foot of all of the jamb systems are a composite-based material. So this composite-based material is made as an anti-wicking jamb system. So it doesn't allow water to absorb into the wood and come up into the system. So you can see how it transitions over from prime finger jointed wood over to that composite system. So anything that's on the bottom of the door, they automatically have a protection there. But the next part is the real key to the situation. It's a PVC-clad aluminum jamb system. So there is thin aluminum that covers all of the exposed wood on the outside of the door. So what does that mean for you? No rot, no painting, no maintenance. This is what we consider our lifetime jamb system. It's solid, it's great for a seal for a door, and you don't have to worry about anything again. You'll see it on our door here. You can hear it. It's the PVC-clad jamb system. But there is no exposed wood. There's nothing for you to maintain for as long as you live and reside in your home. So if you want to see a little bit more about this or actually come down and see what a jamb system looks like put together, I invite you down to Energy Swing's Design Center on Route 286. Thanks.